Let's explore how to manage and visualize mesh scale, giving you precise control over your additive manufacturing parts. In the Additive Manufacturing Navigator, simply right-click any column heading and select Mesh Scale from the configurations. The mesh scale values for each part, if defined, will now be clearly displayed in their respective columns. You have a couple of ways to adjust these values. Use the Mesh Scale command on one or multiple regions to modify the factors as needed. Alternatively, you can directly edit the mesh scale values right there in the columns. For immediate feedback, enable the Preview toggle within the Mesh Scale command to visualize the scaled output mesh directly in your NX graphics window. This powerful visualization ensures your parts are always prepared with the optimal mesh scale.